It is hump day. We need to get through this Wednesday. I'm gonna make you Lizzie's lunchbox right now. Vegan pizza rolls. You're gonna love it. We're gonna put a little thin layer of the vegan cream cheese on this bread. This is the Lavash bread, 100% whole wheat, all vegan, gluten-free, right? Just a little bit of cream cheese, but in place of other kind of nut cheese, we're gonna use this vegan cream cheese. It's really good. There we go. Pizza sauce, about 2 tablespoons, 2.5 tablespoons. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, right? All the way to the edge, boys and girls, all the way to the edge. Don't jump off. There you have it. These are sauteed portobello mushrooms and leeks. Now that's a steroid leek, if I've ever seen one. Sauteed in a little bit of olive oil, salt and pepper. Bam. Right there. Just spread them out like so. I call this shredded zucchini. It's just zucchini. I just have a nickname for it. Shredded zucchini. Right there. A little bit of love. And that's it. That is how simple that little pizza roll is. And then we're gonna just roll it up like so. Bam. And it goes right on the skillet. There we have it. Just 1 minute on each side, guys. A little bit of olive oil in the pan. You can spray it in there. There we have it. Don't burn your little fingers. Here we go. Right in the middle. Cut it in the middle. I like to take it in little small sections because, you know, girls don't like big bites of anything. There you go. But if you're a boy, you might want to just keep this thing whole. Just eat it whole, like a whole burrito.
Can we take a bite of it, Lizzie?
We can.
Let's do it.
Wait, let's do. I like a dipping sauce though. So this is my vegan cheese sauce, which I will probably not tell you because it's a secret recipe. Secret. But I'm gonna let you try it this way. Here you go.
Okay.
Okay, G. This is you.
This is me?
Yeah.
Oh, cheers me. Get yourself one.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Happy Wednesday.
Happy Wednesday.